How to track my order on Martcost.com. Search Martcost keywords on Google search engine. Click here and open Martcost.com official website. Click on Track and Request menu and click here Track My Order option. Now, enter your order number and billing email address. For order number and billing email address, open your email account and check inbox. This is your order number. This is your billing email address. After then click on Track button. Finally, you can check here your order details and download now your digital product. Join now digital education Martcost.com. Go to store www.martcost.com and contact now services@martcost.com.